Graduating is, of course, a joyful and scary time of our lives, now even more than ever. We live in a world of constant worry and uncertainty. In economics, we hear that gas prices may be $6 by the time we are out of college, and the employment rate's uncertain. In science, we hear that pollution, climate change, and fuel shortages are always getting worse and creeping nearer to the point of unmanageability. In government and social studies, we learn of the overwhelming corruption and brokenness of our government and of other countries. It is not the most comforting thought that most of us will be encountering the real world in about 4 years. We live in a broken world. We live amongst injustice, inequality, poverty, and ultimately evil. With despair in every direction, where is there any room for hope or light? A great man once said, unless. Unless what? I'm going to break a cardinal rule of writing and speaking and tell you the definition of unless. I hope Mr. Gunther isn't cringing somewhere. Unless means except under the circumstance that. Life is so fun and wonderful because of unless. We are called against all odds to change the circumstances of the world and make room for the unlesses. The world is crumbling at our feet, except under the circumstance that we all care to go into the world and be a light, and I know we all will. Caring is where unless begins. The world will be broken unless we decide to care and take our place in society. Unless you go forth and be humble doctors, unless you go forth and be patient teachers, unless you go forth and be honest politicians, unless you go forth and follow your calling in courage and kindness, all will be lost. So I know you're dying to know who said unless. As my classmates know, we kind of became the Dr. Seuss class this year with our Dover Philly decorations and the Crimsonian senior issue. So how fitting that unless is a word of wisdom from none other than the Lorax. The Lorax says this: unless someone like you cares a whole awful lot, nothing's going to get better. It's not. This may sound negative, but the Lorax knows it leaves hope. Unless is hope. Perhaps the Lorax wouldn't mind if I added this to his sentiment. Unless someone like you cares a whole awful lot, nothing's going to get better. It's not. But don't cry. Don't be sad, my friends. Let unless be your power. Believe in unless till the end.